Okay, in this video I'm going to go over the America's Oldest Written Words Problem and Solution chart. So if you go into your Google Stream, you're going to want to find the assignment labeled America's Oldest Written Words Problem and Solution. You're going to go ahead and open that document. Now you'll notice this is different. For the first time, the document is going to be blank. The only thing you have is a title up here. And that's because I want you to create the document, okay? Just like you would normally when you're given a piece of paper and asked to answer questions on a piece of paper. Same idea. The paper is given to you blank and then you're writing in. On this, the paper is blank and you're going to be writing in. So we're going to do a problem and solution chart. In order to do that, I want to insert a table. And I want it to be a 1x2 table. And then I'm just going to click on these lines to make my boxes a little bigger, even though those boxes would get bigger for me automatically. Then I'm going to go and I'm going to center my text. And I'm going to say this is my box for the problem. Click down in the lower box, center it again. And this is my solution. Okay. I'm going to go to the first box. I'm going to hit enter to space down. I'm going to left justify or left align again, so the cursor is back all the way over to the left. And now I'm going to decide what the problem was in the text America's Oldest Written Words. So this one we had to do some really looking deeper inferencing because they don't specifically state. You know, the problem was this. So we have to kind of read between the lines here on on page 174. So what was the problem they were facing? The problem was that these anthropologists wanted to know what was the oldest written words in the Americas. So the problem, the anthropologists wanted to know what the oldest written words in the Americas is or was. Okay. Solution to this problem. Well, that very first line says scientists made a discovery in southern Mexico. So the solution, scientists made a discovery of ancient writing, in southern Mexico. And let's see. The discovery suggests that, and it says on page 174, the Zapotec began writing. Poll's findings suggest that the Olmec wrote 300 years earlier. So the discovery suggests that written words in America were first written 300 years before scientists previously thought. All right, so that's how you go about writing in your document. Now, if it's a question, if it's a document where they ask questions, where you have question 1, question 2, you can just write question 1 and then just remember, you don't have to write out the question, but restate the question in your answer. So if the question was, what was the problem that anthropologists faced in America's oldest written words, you would say anthropologists faced the problem of wanting to know, not knowing when the first written words in the Americas were, or something like that. Okay, so where you're rewriting the question in your response as part of your response, okay, instead of just literally copying the question down. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.